In this video, I'll show you how to track post performance with simple visual reports, so you can easily understand how your content is doing. Stay tuned because by the end, you'll know exactly how to turn your data into actionable insights using visual reports that make post performance tracking simple. The first step is to find the right software for tracking. I've tried several of the most popular tools out there, and I found that the software we'll be using today is one of the easiest and most effective for visual reports. You'll be able to generate charts and graphs with just a few clicks, making it perfect if you're looking for something that's quick, intuitive, and easy to follow. Once you're set up with the software, you'll want to go straight to the post performance section. This is where you'll be able to see a full breakdown of how each of your posts is performing. You'll get visual metrics like reach, engagement, and click-through rates, all displayed clearly in graphs. The best part? You don't need to dig through numbers. These reports give you an immediate visual overview, which makes it super easy to spot what's working and what's not. Next, take a look at the different filters you can apply. These filters allow you to zoom in on the data that matters most to you. Whether you want to look at a specific time range or focus on a particular platform, this is where you can customize your report to get the exact insights you're looking for. For example, if you're running multiple campaigns, you can compare them side by side to see which one is performing better. What makes this approach really powerful is the ability to quickly identify trends. If you're noticing that certain types of posts are consistently outperforming others, that's a key takeaway you can use to refine your strategy moving forward. This is all about working smarter, not harder. Use the data to guide your future posts and see what resonates with your audience. Another great feature is the option to share these reports with your team or clients. You can generate reports, download them as PDFs, and easily present them with clear visuals that are much more compelling than just raw numbers. If you're managing multiple accounts or clients, this feature saves you time while providing professional-grade reports in minutes. For a more detailed view, you can dive into each post individually. This is useful if you want to understand exactly why a post did well or underperformed. You'll see not only basic metrics like impressions and likes, but also deeper insights like the times of day posts perform best and even the engagement levels of different audience segments. Now, before I close out, I highly recommend that you check out the software we're using today. It's simple, powerful, and gives you all the tools you need to track post performance with visual reports. And if you want to follow along with this tutorial step by step, there's an exclusive free trial link in the description below that's only available to viewers of this channel. So, key takeaway here. The key to tracking post performance effectively is using simple visual reports. Focus on the data that matters, like reach, engagement, and click-through rates. Leverage the filters to customize your reports and make informed decisions about future posts. Lastly, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick, actionable tutorials like this one